Time to clean my oven. Oh my goodness. Look at all that caked up grease on the window, on the glass door. How am I gonna remove that? Hold on. Let me use one of this brush. It's not really coming off. Even with some soapy water and detergent. What am I gonna do? I think I heard my mom told me that if you apply a little bit of baking soda and vinegar, it will help. So let's go ahead and try that experiment. I got some baking soda, any generic brand will work. It doesn't have to be exact science, you know. Okay, let's put that right there. It's maybe baking soda. Okay, I think I'm using this Heart Club that I got from somewhere, and then just some cheap distilled vinegar, apple cider vinegar or oil vinegar, and just leave it on like there. Oh, you see a reaction taking place. See, so the baking soda neutralizes the grease compound, and then the vinegar helps distill it, and there's a chemical reaction. The combination of the two mixture will help dissolve the oil. See how it's fizzling? This is like a science experiment. So we're gonna let that sit for a little bit because it's caked up in grease, and then we're gonna give it a try. Alright, it's been about half an hour. Let's go ahead and give it a good scrub. Brush. Oh, I didn't see that it's coming out. You know what? Let me try like a metal scrub. Perhaps that will work easier. Oh yeah, that's definitely making it come out. Look at this. Look at how oh wow. I already got a portion of. So this goes to show that a combination of baking soda and vinegar does work against removing grease. It works just as well as a degreaser. Just give it a good scrub. Even for caked up grease such as mine, over many years. I don't remember the last time I cleaned it. Probably like, man, I don't even want to mention. So take care of your kitchen, and good luck. Let's see how it looks like when it's fully cleaned. Wow, isn't this a lot better? I can see my own reflection. Now I can finally see my food cooking.